The FITCAMX 4K dashcam Model B integrates cleanly into compatible Volvo interiors, replacing the factory cover, so there are no dangling cables or suction mounts, and nothing blocking the windshield. Its 4K 2160p ultra-high-definition recording, combined with a wide aperture lens and advanced image processing, delivers crisp, detailed footage that remains clear in both bright daylight and low-light conditions. Installation is straightforward for most owners, since the unit is designed specifically for late-model Volvo V90, XC60, and S90 trims and uses existing mounting points and power connections. Built-in Wi-Fi and the companion application make it easy to preview clips, download important videos to a phone, and share incidents without removing the memory card or using a computer. Continuous loop recording with an included 64GB memory card, plus support for higher capacity cards, means the camera can run quietly in the background while automatically managing storage. The integrated G-sensor locks files when it detects a significant impact, and the sturdy, heat-resistant housing gives confidence that the camera will keep working reliably in a vehicle environment.